So these are the Innovited HID kit. This is the H4 kit. The H4 application is going out through a halogen bowl of this Forester. As you can see, the output is a lot better than factory, but I mean, like I said, it's not a, you don't have that nice sharp cutoff like you get from a projector retrofit. So but the bulbs I do have are 6000K. I know in the camera it looks like it's blue, but I mean, it's pretty much white with maybe a hint of blue in actuality. But it's a 35 watt kit, and I have it. It's a direct plug and play, draws power directly from your OEM wire harness. So it's actually a really easy install and plugs right up. But the reason I am going with the retrofit route is because I love lighting mods and stuff like that, and you know, I really want to have that true projector retrofit. I also recently did a retrofit to my other car, the Subaru Legacy. That link will be in the video. I went with the Morimoto 4 TLR projectors, and those are far better than the OEM, obviously. But right now I'm very happy with the 4 TLR setup. And actually right now I have Circuit Demon. They're working on a set right now for the Forester. I went with this D2S 4.0 square projector kit I purchased from Lightwerkz. D2S kit, and actually I already have the car pre-wired with the harness, so when the headlights do come in a few days, I'll unbox them and I should be able to plug them right up. So we are here, got some goodies for the Forester. Alright, so as you can see, here's the box. It's got this cool Circuit Demon taping on there. Pretty sick. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Somebody light the choppers in the car. Can't even stay in the lane, man. Just like driving, can't even stay in the lane, man. Alright, so I'm okay. So we got a cool decal there. Stick that on the whip. Ooh, another one. Got this one here. That's pretty awesome. Mine's sort of like a Stranger Things type deal. Oh, I got two of these. Whoa, check that out. Stick it there. That's pretty awesome. I can dig that. I like sticking. I can stick stuff. Oh, snaps. Alright, here's the first. Ooh, look at that. Would you look at that? Beautiful. It is looking quite nice. So what they had me send the Morimoto the igniter with them, so they can ensure a tight seal for this extra bulb cap here, which is pretty cool. So as you can see, I'm going to put my own bulb in there. Okay, I see. Usually that was like a spray retainer or something. But yeah, so these headlights already, I got them brand new off eBay. Obviously they're cheap. They're like 120 something bucks. As you can see, they already come with the bulbs already inside, which is awesome. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Looks like they did a really good job. I mean, I'll take a closer look at the projector. I mean, it's pretty solid. If you look at that, nice, really good tight seal. See all that butyl stuff oozing out. That's good. You know, she's packed with it. All the tabs on. Very nice. Very nice work, Circuit Demon. Alright, and let's see here. So the kit that I went with was the Morimoto. I went to 6500K bulb right there with the XB35 ballast. I'm just a big fan of 6000K. I like it a lot. You know, 5500 you get good light output, but I always like to have that little hint of blue or white or whatever you want to do there. Yeah, cool. So light looks awesome. Get the other one out. It's exciting when you get to unbox headlights. Whoa. Unbox. Kind of trickery, dickery, century dickery. Here's the other lamp. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. It's like dessert. It's like eating dessert. Okay. Alright, yeah, here are the little ring and retainers for the bulbs. Alright, let's take a look at the passenger side. God, that looks beautiful. Nice polished lens. I mean, that is pretty tight. Once again, seals look really good. They're oozing out. Nice tight seal. That is beautiful. Alright, see. Oh, these are for the bi-xenon connectors and for the ballast. Alright, awesome. Now let's get to getting these bad boys in. So you look at the bulb here. So we got the igniter right here for the Morimoto bulb, and then we have this spring and lock ring for the bulb. So we're gonna unbox the bulb first. As you can see here, got the where you at, boom boom. Yeah, you gotta get that 6500K. So we're gonna take this guy out. Get these to the bottom. Alright, carefully lift that up. You probably should wear gloves. I'm not wearing gloves because I'm too excited, so if it messes up, it's my fault. So when you put them in, you want the blue, that bar to be facing down. Plus it can only go in one way, so when you insert it in, to make sure it locks, so it goes off a little bit to the side here. You can only go in one way, so there's no other way you can go in pretty much. So once you feel it lock in, you put the spring on. Spring goes over top there, and then get your lock ring and slide that over top. Just make sure that the bulb is nice and tight. Just a little more. There you go, perfect. I like to have it so these are vertical. I mean, so you can put them more if you want, but I just like to have it like that. Alright, and once that's nice and tight, we're going to put on the igniter, connect that, and so you just basically just put it in at an angle and then twist it on. So let's see which angle works best. Alright, and then you'll feel it lock into place just like that. See, it's all locked in. Once that's locked in, we'll take the cap and we'll make sure it's nice and sealed all around. ballast mounted. Next is the wiring harness. So the wiring harness is pretty self-explanatory. Everything's labeled. I actually already pre-wired this when I got the kit, so you can see everything's already kind of wired. So I just have to untape everything and plug it up, and then we'll be ready to go. All right, here's now we got the retrofits in. D2S 4.0 square projectors. I have the 6500K kit, like I said, so it's got more of a white with the hint of blue below the output, but as you can see where the cutoff is, that's where the color band is. Oh, that beautiful.